Welcome to Lavanya's computer classes. In this video, I will explain selection sort. What is the selection sort? What is the algorithm and how to implement selection sort with numerical example? I will explain in this video. This is Unit 5 PPS, Programming for Problem Solving. In this programming for problem solving, according to JNTUH R18 and also R22 Unit 5. Algorithm for selection sorting and numerical example. First I will explain with the numerical example. This is the some set of elements, list of elements 13, 22, 51, 15, 3 and 21. Now question is coming like this. Consider the list of elements 13, 22, 51, 15, 3 and 21. Arranging all these elements in the order using selection sort algorithm. So method in the name only, it is a selection sort. Sort, what is the meaning of sort? Sorting means arranging all the elements in a proper order. Arranging all the elements in a proper order is called as sorting. How can you sort? Means using so many sorting techniques are there. Either go for selection sort, merge sort, quick sort and insertion sort. But in your syllabus you have selection sort, insertion sort and merge sort is there. I think 3 sorts are there. Bubble sort, bubble, selection and insertion sort is there. Now I will explain selection sort. So first we take all the list of the elements, keep it in the order, array elements. Array elements means, for example, we take this, everything is in name of the array name is A. So this is the indexing. This is the A of 0. This is A of 1. Array elements is always starts with 0th location. A of 2. This is A of 3, A of 4 and A of 5. So totally 6 elements are there. So that is from 0 to 5. Now in this selection sort, first step is, first we take to accept the first element. Find first element and minimum element. This is the step 1. The step 1, first find out which one is the first element and which one is the minimum element. So which one is the first element? First element is always in the 0th position, index, 0th index. So A of 0. So what is the A of 0 element? The A of 0th element is 13. So 13 is the first element and which one is the minimum element? So find out in these all these elements which one is the minimum element. The minimum element is 3. 3 is in the which position means this is in the A of 4 position. So this is the minimum element. So first element is 13. Second element is minimum element is 3. Then compare first element and minimum element. Compare first element and minimum element. What is your compare first element? First element is the 13 and minimum element is the 3. So that first element is always, because we wants to arranging all the elements in the order means sorted order. Sorted order means ascending order. Smallest element is always in the first position. So A of 0 and compare which one is the minimum element? A of 4. So A of 0th element is 13, A of 4 element is 3. So 13 is greater than 3. That means first element is more than last element. So whenever first element is more than smallest element, we just swap it. Exchange the elements 13 and 3. That means 13 is changed to 3 and 3 is changed to 13. Positions will be changed. So in the step 2, how it will be changed means, again this is the array location. 0th position, first position, second position, third, fourth and fifth. This is A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4 and A of 5. So now changing 0th position and 4th position. That means 3 is coming here, then 22 in the same position, 51, there is no change in these values, and 13 is coming to here and then 21. So whenever first element and minimum element change, automatically the smallest element is coming into the first place. So whenever swapping the element, then it is divided into 2 parts. This is called as sorted order. And these all are the unsorted. That means these elements are not in the order. Okay. So whenever the first iteration step 1 is completed, one element is in the sorted manner. Now in the step 2, take only unsorted elements only. 3 keep it in the proper place because the element is already in the order place. So take only step 2. Step 2 means again we take these elements. What are the elements are here? 22, 51, 15, 13, 21. Only these elements are not in the order. So take these elements only. 3 is already in the order. Okay. So this is the sorted order. Don't do anything from this. Okay. Again we are divided into this one. This is again A of 0th position. This is A of 0. This is in A of 1. This is A of 2. A of 3, A of 4. Again same procedure. We repeat the same procedure. How we are repeating the same procedure means again find out again first element and again minimum element, same rule. What is the first element? A of 0. The A of 0 element value is 22. Minimum element. Which one is the minimum element out of these 5? 13 is the minimum element. In which position means A of 3. Again compare. Compare which element you have to compare means compare first element and minimum element. First element is always smaller than to next elements because it is in the order. So A of 0 and compare A of 3. A of 0 is 22, A of 3 is 13. 22 is greater than 13. Whenever A of 0 value is more than A of 3 minimum value, just swap it. Swap which elements means A of 0 position and A of 3 position. So after swapping, then one step 3 or otherwise in this only 3 is anyway order. 22 is coming to here, 13 is swapped to here. So 13, 51 is no change here, 51, 15, 22, 21. So whenever first element is swapped, means now this is divided into 2 parts. These 2 are in the sorted order. These 2 are the sorted and these 4 are called as they are in the unsorted manner. Is it clear? Now, after step 2 is completed, 2 elements are in sorted position, remaining all are unsorted. Then step 3, same thing. In the step 3, take these unsorted elements only, 51, 15, 22, 21. In this again take it, same procedure, first element is the 51, minimum element. Which one is the minimum element? 21. Then compare first element and min element. First element is more than min element, so swap it. Swap. Whenever we swap it, the elements are coming like this. 21, 15, 22, no, here swap, minimum element is 15, sorry. Minimum element is 15, so swap these 2 elements. That means 15, 51, 22, 21. So after step 3 is completed, the sorted elements are, sorted like this. Which elements are sorted means 3, 13, 15. These are in the sorted manner. Already these elements are in sorted. And then 51, 22, 21. These are not in the order. So take these values. This is the unsorted elements. These are the unsorted. Okay. 3 steps are completed means 3 elements are already in the order. Then step 4. Step 4 we take these elements only. 51, 22, 21. Again considered as it is an array. In this it is the first element. Again same steps. First element is 51. What is the minimum element? Minimum element is 21. So again compare 51, first element is more than 21. Whenever first element is more than minimum element, just swap it. Swap means swap A of 0, comma A of 3. It is 0th position, that means swap these 2 elements. So after step 4, 21, 22, 51. So already 3, 13, 15 is in the sorted manner. So these are the sorted, these elements in the sorted and these elements in the unsorted elements. Already these elements already in the order, but you have to again change it. This is the first element. First element is 22 and first element is 22 and minimum element is also 22. Whenever the first element and minimum element both are same, there is no swap. There is no swap. So this is step 4, this is now step 5. Step 5 means 3, 13, 15, 21, 22, 51. So after step 5, these elements are coming like this. These everything is in the order. Sorting order means all elements are arranged in the ascending to descending. 3, 13, 51, 21, 22, 51. All elements are sorted. See here, how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N is equal to 6 means number of iterations n minus 1. Within n minus 1, the elements, all elements are coming into the sorted order. N minus 1 means 6 minus 1, that means 5. Within 5 steps, all elements are in the order. So this is the technique of selection sort algorithm. Selection sort, we have to select. Which elements you have to select means first element and minimum element. Select first element and minimum element. Compare first element and minimum element. If the first element is more than minimum element, swap these two. Otherwise, not necessary. So same procedure, same thing we repeated until all the elements are in the order. So this is the numerical example for selection sort. Now I will explain how to write an algorithm. Algorithm for selection sort. This is the algorithm. What is an algorithm means everything is explained in terms of general English language is called as a algorithm. Step 1. What is the step 1? Starting from the first element. We search the smallest element in the array. That means first we have to select the first element and also smallest element in the array and replace it with the element in the first position, and immediately you can replace it. When we replace it, if the first element is more than smallest element, then we move on to the second position and look for smallest element present in the sub array starting from index 1 till the last index, because 0th position element is already in the order. So start from index 1. Step 3 is we replace the element at the second position in the original array, or we can stay at the first position in the sub-array and second smallest element. Step 4 is this is repeated until the array is completely sorted. So this is the algorithm for selection sort algorithm. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.